Ever feel like you're sleeping 8 hours but still waking up exhausted? Fatigue has become one of the most hot concerns these days, but the root cause might be simpler than you think, and today we are breaking down why you are almost tired and, most importantly, how to fix it. Hey, I'm Daniele, and over the years I've been fascinated by what keeps us energized and what drains us. Whether it's your hectic schedule, stress, or even something deeper like sleep quality, I've spent time to exploring the science behind managing energy effectively. Today we are breaking down the real reasons behind your constant fatigue. This isn't about quick fixes or gimmicks. I'm sharing actionable tips backed by research and experts. Let's get into the 7 reasons you might be feeling exhausted and what you can do about each one. First one, you are ignoring your sleep cycle. Starting with the first tip, did you know that your body has a natural clock, also known as your circadian rhythm? This internal clock regulates when you feel awake and when you feel sleepy. If you are fighting against it and staying up late scrolling on your phone or waking up inconsistently, your body gets confused. But how to fix it? Try going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Consistency trains your body to fall into a natural rhythm, making your sleep more peaceful. 2. Dehydration is draining you. Fatigue isn't just about sleep, it's often about hydration. Even mild dehydration can cause you to feel lethargic and dull. Studies show that most people don't drink enough water throughout the day. Here's an easy tip to follow. Carry a water bottle with you and make a goal to drink a glass of water first thing in the morning. It sets the tone for the rest of your day. 3. You are not moving enough. It's hard to believe, but lack of movement can make you more tired. Sedentary lifestyle leads to lower energy levels because your body isn't circulating oxygen efficiently. Try short walks into your day routine, even just 5 minutes every hour. Not only does it boost your energy, but it also improves your overall mood and productivity. 4. You are eating the wrong food. The third tip is about what you eat has a massive impact on your energy levels. Foods high in sugar might give you a temporary boost but lead an energy crash later. Instead, focus on foods rich in complex carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. Think oatmeal with nuts for breakfast, for a quinoa salad with veggie for lunch. Feed your body with steady, sustained energy source. 5. Stress is affecting your energy. Stress is like an energy vampire. When your body is in a constant state of fight or flight, it releases cortisol, which over time can lead to burnout. One effective strategy to overcome this is mindfulness meditation. Even 5 minutes a day can help you reset and recharge. Deep breathing exercises are another tool to calm your nervous system and maintain energy. 6. You are overlooking vitamin deficiencies. Iron and vitamin D are 2 common causes of fatigue. A lack of iron can cause anemia and leaving you feeling drained, while low levels of vitamin D can impact your overall health. And how to fix it? Get a simple blood test to check your levels and consult to your doctor about supplements or dietary changes. 7. The last one. Environment is working against you. Your bedroom could be affecting your rest. Is it too bright, too noisy, or maybe your mattress isn't supporting you properly? A well-designed sleep environment can greatly improve your rest. Keep the room cool, dark and quiet. Invest in blackout curtains or a white noise machine if it's necessary. These small changes can make a huge difference in your sleep quality. If any of these points resonate with you, let me know in the comments below which one you are going to work on first. Don't forget to hit the like button, it really helps the channel reach more people who need this information. If you found this video helpful, please check the other contents in the description below again. So, thank you guys for the attention, see you in the next week with another video. Bye!